In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to obtain a free API key for 11 Labs. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Your support motivates us to keep producing top-notch content. If you can integrate 11 Labs API into applications for real-time monitoring and analytics, enabling comprehensive visibility and control over network performance and security. So, let's dive right in. To begin, ensure that you're logged into your 11 Labs profile. Navigate to the Resources section located on the dashboard and click on API Reference. From there, you can easily access your API key. Simply click on the designated section to view and copy your API key. Additionally, you have the option to regenerate your API key or enhance security by enabling two-factor authentication. Remember, your API key is a critical credential for accessing 11 Labs services. It's important to keep it secure and refrain from sharing it publicly. With your API key, you'll be able to perform a variety of tasks, such as generating text in supported languages seamlessly. And there you have it. Obtaining your free 11 Labs API key is straightforward and essential for leveraging their services. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If you found this guide useful, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Explore a variety of tutorials and resources on a wide range of topics at MediaMagnetGuide.com.